Hello, fellow Connors. Happy New Year to you and your family. Praying for a remarkable and blissful year ahead. Makazi and Master KD back together again. Many believe that when they are together, the outcome is the best. Furthermore, they were spotted kissing while performing on stage. After a fruitful year, Makazi gave back to the community of Hamashamba in Limpopo by giving away food parcel to the needy. I thank you, fellow Connors.